Regard to?
Puja permission, my lord.
Oh, puja permission.
My lord, your lordship has previously passed orders with the same club, the same respondents earlier. My lord, if I may kindly take your lordships through the previous orders which were passed by this honorable court.
You annexed so many photographs.
My lord, that is only with regard to show that we have been performing pujas over there.
From the photographs, can anything be ascertained whether it is of your puja or somebody else's puja?
But my lord, I have annexed the permissions which were granted earlier.
All right, so these photographs were not required. See these photographs. Who knows which goddess is here, from which puja?
I shall keep in mind, my lord, from the next time, my lord, absolutely.
See photographs of persons, whether this is of which club, which garden, which park, nobody knows. So all these, you are just adding up papers.
My lord, I shall keep that in mind in the
where
future.
Where is the permission?
My lord, the permissions, previous permissions, my lord, will kindly take from page 47.
47.
The previous permissions were granted, my lord.
2007. Of the year 2007.
Series, my lord, one after the other, till page 71.
Where is this place?
Well, this is in
Maheshtala.
My lord, Maheshtala municipality.
All right.
Now, my lord, what has happened, my lord? There's a. I shall give you your lordship the background of the case, my lord. A public. 2000s. In 2017, that public interest litigation was finally decided by the Honorable Justice.
Whoever it is, by the court.
By the court, my lord,
yes.
Division bench, my lord. What was passed, the order of direction was there, my lord. The municipality wanted to raise a construction of a community hall in that children's park. Now, my lord, what was found by the court in that order reflected that this is a refugee rehabilitation land where there's a children's park and it has been recorded as a children's park. Now, my lord, however, the court said that this authorities can always change the nature and character in accordance with law to raise a construction of a community hall there too. Now, my lord, in subject to this particular issue, my lord, there has been issues between the club and the local authorities for granting permission. That is the only reason, my lord, for which we had to continuously come before this court ever since 2023. My lord, if me
has the permission come up?
My lord, this year, no, my lord. I have made application.
The park is still there or construction has been made?
No, my lord. The park is still there. There's a stay order which has been passed now in 2023 by a division bench of this court.
Stay order for?
My lord, for not raising any construction, not to change the order. I have annexed that order also.
All right.
If your lordship wants.
Yes. No, it's all right then.
My lord, now we have made an application in August for, my lord, July.
And there is no other application from any other authority for conducting puja in the same place?
No, my lord, because it has been, the club has been conducting puja there since, my lord, can see the permissions have been accorded since 2007, my lord. So, my lord, innocuous prayer.
Where did you apply?
My lord, I applied, my lord. My lord, page 75 and 76. My lord will kindly take. This is before the Poroshava, my lord, the Maheshtala municipality. And, my lord, the next is at page 76, my lord. This is also to the chairman, my lord. These applications have been forwarded to the SDO South 24 Parganas as well, which will appear at 79. Serial number 2, my lord. SDO is the licensing authority, as would reflect from the...
Is the Maheshtala municipality there?
My lordship, for the Maheshtala municipality, Mr. Devashish Kundu Singh.
Yes, I can see.
My lordship, I think so. He's on his leg before courtroom number 1, my lordship.
I can see somebody is there online, Devashish Kundu, trying to join. Isn't it?
Perhaps there's a glitch in the network.
All right. State.
Lordship, we need some instruction from the Maheshtala municipality.
What instruction?
We have not received anything from the Maheshtala municipality, any instruction, my lordship.
Why?
My lordship, we have just received the brief on Friday.
So from Friday to Monday, enough time?
Not received.
Am I audible to your lordship now?
I can hear you.
Not your lordship, not because I believe not some there's a problem with the link, my lord.
What is your instruction with regard to grant of puja?
There are several instructions, but I would like to personally appear with your lordship. Two things. Firstly is that the main matter, which is the subject matter of the entire episode, is now the final hearing to be done by the division bench on 2nd of September 2025. This matter has been lying fire for the last 4 years on very false pretext. Now, your Lordship has been given to understand that this Kalyan Samiti has been running this, making this puja. Your Lordship will see the writ petition. Your Lordship will only see the writ petition, and then I'll show Your Lordship what is the address of the writ petition and the writ petition of the petitioners. Your Lordship will see the address is Santoshpur Vastu Unnayan Samiti at Santoshpur. They say that they are now a registered club in the year 2022. Now Your Lordship will see that they had sought for permission from the SDO and they got permission from the SDO. Your Lordship will kindly come to page 67. 67. These are facts which we have coming for the first time, so I will have to take instructions on these issues. Your Lordship will see at page 67, that is for the 22. Your Lordship will see the address. Kalyan Samiti, Bhatanagar. 65 is at page 65 is Bhatanagar. And 66 is Noapada. These facts were not brought to Your Lordship's notice in 2023, which they have. I'm relying on their own documents. So they have not disclosed as to where their club has been registered and what is the correct address. And now, my lord, in the event, my lord, if we succeed on 2nd of September before the Honorable Division Bench, we will be thereafter entitled to construct a community hall. And we are ready to construct the community hall because everything is done. Because of the fact that there is an order of the Division Bench. And Your Lordship, may I show Your Lordship one judgment of the Division Bench. That is, my lord, my Nana Juna will hand it over to Your Lordship. Your Lordship will see, kindly sees the order dated.
Copy.
11th August 2025. Take down 11th August 2025. WPA P 67/2025. Proshanjit Kaur and others versus Mahashtala Municipality and others. With Santoshpur Udbastu Unnayan Samiti and another versus State of West Bengal and others. WPA P 542/2023.
And there is an earlier order.
Nothing says, nothing is.
No, there is an earlier order. You will see the earlier order.
What do you want to drive at?
I want to drive at that. You will see the earlier order. Earlier order is 19 June 2025.
What is your submission? I am not able to understand. You want to make a community hall over there.
We have been permitted to make a community hall, and therefore, if Your Lordship can takes up the earlier order, that will be sufficient for you to Your Lordship to go to the 2 pages order of Justice Suman Sen Division Bench. This is where we stand as of today.
The order.
What does it say? 19th June's order? It simply says that you have not taken steps under the under section 4C.
Not me. There, the Santoshpur Unnayan Samiti, there was an earlier petition before we had a coordinate bench. At that point of time, the petition was disposed of, wherein the Honorable Division Bench presided over by the Honorable Chief Justice took into consideration that any dispute with regard to the change of classification has to be gone into and challenged not in a PIL but before the West Bengal Land.
The issue
And
over here is grant of puja permission. Try to understand. This is not an issue regarding construction. It is
may indicate
temporary
one thing.
nature.
Your lordship can appreciate. On 2nd of September, in the event we succeed, we will
What
be
will you
rested
do?
by.
If you succeed, what will you do? You go for construction immediately from third.
Yes,
or what?
we have got everything ready. We have got
Everything means
ready.
what? Everything means
Including-
what?
Including the appointment of the contractor. We could not give the formal order because of the pendency of the writ petition. Otherwise,
You
we
have appointed a contractor even before you get an order from the court. So the malafide intention of the
no,
person is very
not
clear.
malafide intention. It was done, but we have not given permission because of the fact that the order was pending adjudication. So
Right.
we have not given.
So if the matter is pending before the court, you could not have engaged somebody for raising.
I have not
the
engaged.
concern.
I have appointed somebody, but I have not given him a formal order of engagement.
Right.
That's
So formal order not yet given. 22nd the order will be passed. So third you are not going to raise construction.
No,
All
7
right.
days. I mean, 7 days. Your lordship will not. Your lordship will clearly not restrain me from making the construction or giving me a time limit to make a construction. Because I have already got 4.5 crores of rupees on this account from way back from 2015. That is lying in the bank. And
Yes. How big is the place where the construction you seek to make?
It is nearly 6.5 quarters of land.
Right. And the puja pandal will be constructed. How big will be the pandal?
400 square feet, my lord.
The
Now-
puja
now
pandal
you're-
will be 400 square feet only.
400 square feet only. Your lordship can I see the period from which they are seeking permission?
But seeking permission during the pujas, what else?
No, your lordship can I see the application?
Yes.
Can I see the application from 28th of August? 28th of August.
Obviously, otherwise, how will the puja pandal be made ready? You have to give some time.
Not
And
28th
moreover,
of-
making the puja pandal will certainly not create any right in their favor. It will be an absolutely temporary arrangement for the purpose of holding the pujas, nothing more.
Exactly your lordship's order in the last occasion. as well.
last two orders passed by your lordship without having gone into the issue as to whether or not Manana Friends has got a proper address. Have got a proper address as to where their club is located. Your lordship will kindly see. The STO had given a permission of 2 different places. They hid the entire thing from your lordship in 23. And showing your lordship's orders on 23, they have shown this order to in 24. Now, I have brought up this notice before your lordship. Let them come and say that this is their land, this is their office, and this is their permission from the Register of Societies.
Do you have anybody else's claim for performing puja over there?
Today the problem is, it was supposed to be a area which was earlier given. Now they themselves have created a problem for themselves by showing that they have gone to a different area. They have not brought it to a lordship's notice on 23 that they have got permission for different from the STO for the year 21 and 22. I have shown it to your lordship. They have themselves annexed to the copy of the writ petition. Now I am showing that if there is an incorrect statement made by them,
No, is it your case that despite obtaining permission, the petitioners are performing puja elsewhere?
I will have to take instruction on that, but I have suddenly come across today morning. I was given a copy of the writ petition today morning.
The writ petition was served earlier?
No, it may have been served. I have served it today morning. I have gone through the things to the extent possible, my lord. But I could not go beyond that, my lord.
Yes. So all the
No, my lord.
submissions you are making are all impromptu submissions without
No, my
getting.
lord, I'm only saying, I'm seeing only from their own documents. I'm seeing from their own documents. I'm
Right.
not proving anything outside. So, my lord, I'm going to say,
Where is the permission for the last year's where the address is mentioned regarding the park? Because there is an issue raised with regard to the place where you perform the puja.
Yes, my lord. I shall immediately, my lord. 2022 is, my lord. 2025. 95.
Last year's order is at page 95.
The last year's order is at page 95, my lord.
So
But the
everything is
permission
clear
I
from
shall-
there also. 95. Last year permission টা আছে?
Just a moment.
order.
2022 is there, 71.
And for which period do you want to hold on to this land?
From today till the end of October, my lord, this is for Durga Puja and Kali Puja, and a Mela is held with that. That's all.
End of October.
Yes, my lord. It is there in our application, my lord. The date is mentioned in our application, my lord.
Page.
My lord, page 75, my lord.
75.
My lord, the third line, my lord, will find 25/8/2025,
Hmm.
AK 31/10/2025.
The whole month of October.
Yes, my lord.
And second, the public interest litigation is coming up. Are you there in that matter also?
Yes, my lord. I'm appearing, my lord. I shall throw some light on that, my lord, what my learned senior friend did not show. My lord will kindly take an order, my lord, which is at page, my lord, 93 of the writ petition, my lord. Watch for, my lord, 93 is the order starts.
Yes.
If your lordship kindly turns over to 94,
Yes.
my lord, the second paragraph, para 4,
Hmm.
my lord, kindly takes it from the fourth line. In the meantime,
Yes.
my lord, in the meantime, the physical features of the land in question will not be altered and no construction shall be put up in the land in question until further directions
Yes.
of this court. This order is subsisting, my lord. This is passed in that particular order which was placed, my lord, in 542. It is
Yes.
appearing at page 93, my lord, same.
All right. Yes.
My lord, the situation as of now is this, that they have filed an opposition. We will use a reply to that, my lord. Perhaps on
Second, nothing can be
nothing can be
finalized.
done because, my lord, there's a contempt also
And
pending.
the state authority has they filed any